Hello friends, welcome to Backyard Gardening. Today I'll show you how to make this super easy fountain at home within 10 minutes. Believe me, it's really easy and this will surely add a charm to your garden or balcony, and I'm sure you can use your own creativity while making it. So let's get started. So I'm going to set up this fountain over here, and I'm gonna use a table to give height, few big stones, artificial floating flowers, big tray, or you can use any tub also, a submersible motor pump, and an old earthen pot. So first of all, I will connect the pump with the pot through this pipe. There was a tap in the pot, so I just removed it. But you can easily make holes into it if your pot doesn't have any tap into it. Then I gave support to the pot with few stones on its sides, as well as by keeping few stones inside pot, which will help it in balancing. And then I arranged these big sized stones or rocks in the water, which I collected from my trips to waterfalls or few from the roadside. And then I added few floating flowers to it to add colors, and arranged few plants to give it more natural look. And it's ready. Do let me know if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.